Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to talk about one of the latest changes that got introduced as part of Selenium 4 initiative, that is get full page screenshot as command. So what exactly is this command? Using this command, we can take the screenshot of the full page in Firefox browser. Okay, we can take the screenshot of the full page. For example, if I go to this application URL, okay, application page. So here, this is a full page, right? In order to see the full page, I have to scroll it, right? From top to bottom, I have to scroll. If you want to take the screenshot of this entire page from this to here, then we have to use a command known as get full page screenshot as command. That too in Firefox browser. Other browsers, this command is not supported. Let me now practically demonstrate how to use this command in Firefox browser to take the screenshot of the full page. For that, I'll open this Eclipse IDE, where some sample Selenium automation code is already written for opening the Firefox browser, for maximizing that browser window, and for taking you to this application URL page like this. Okay, once you are taken to this application URL page, I want to take the screenshot of this entire page. That is full page. I want to take the screenshot. What I have to do for that? I have to take this driver object, and I have to cast this driver object using the Firefox driver class. Okay, like this. I have to cast. Then I have to surround this with circular brackets here, and then say dot get full page screenshot as this command I have to use, and this is only possible in Firefox. Okay, Firefox. So here I have to give output type dot file. So this command will take the screenshot and will store into the file source screenshot is equal to, like this you have to create. Okay, so import this file from java.io. Fine, done. Okay, so whatever the screenshot that is taken, that is stored into the source screenshot, which is of file type. Now there is a predefined class in Selenium, that is file handler. Okay, file handler dot copy. Okay, this is a Selenium, from Selenium library we have the file handler, which can copy the screenshot taken to the required project. You see, I'll say copy using this file handler predefined class. Here we can use either file handler, or we can use something known as file utils from Apache Commons.io. Okay, you can either use file utils from Apache Commons.io, which is not from Selenium guys. File utils is not from Selenium. Now Selenium is also having one more predefined class known as file handler, which is from Selenium. This is also the same purpose. Okay, so it also does the same thing guys, like file utils, where it will copy this source screenshot to the destination location. Where you want to copy this screenshot, whatever the screenshot that is taken is stored into this source screenshot here. That source screenshot I want to copy into this project location, where exactly under the target folder I want to copy. So what I have to do here is, I have to say new file of, okay, new file of. So here I'll say give the path dot slash target slash, give some name guys. Let's say full page screenshot, give some any name. Okay, full page screenshot.png, okay, with extension png. And after this guys, simply close the browser guys. After that, so now you see, before I run something, I'll just refresh this target folder to see any screenshot is there. No, there's no screenshot here. Here dot means the project path, till the project path is a dot. After that, under the project, directly under the target folder, that's why I gave slash target. Under that, okay, I'm going to, okay, when you run this code, this get full page screenshot will take the screenshot and store here into the source screenshot, and from here we are copying into this location. So the screenshot taken will be given this name, like full page screenshot.png will be created under the target folder. Now run this code with this particular name and extension. Screenshot will be taken under the target folder. Okay, the screenshot has been taken and stored into the source screenshot, and from there it got copied into this particular location with this particular name and extension. So how to prove that? After running, you just refresh this folder, you'll get this screenshot. Okay, open this. You see, the screenshot of the entire page has been taken, full page has been taken guys. So this is the purpose of using the get full page screenshot as command in which got introduced as part of Selenium 4 initiative, and this command can only use with Firefox browser. Other browsers it's not supported, guys. So guys, this is all about get full page screenshot as command and how to use that in the Firefox browser. So that's it, guys. Thank you. Bye.